you do another song? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Do you want to talk? What's the name of that song? What was the name of the song you played? Ba Ba Black? Va Va Va?
What's the number? Where's Grandpa?
Well, he's not right here. We're going to make a movie and then we can send it to him. Okay? Just a few. He's not here. We're just making a movie and then we'll send it to him.
I have to show him.
That you can play?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you do. Maybe we'll Skype sometime. A few days ago, Eva wanted to play music with her fingers, as she put it. She said she wanted to play song with her fingers, and then we talked about going up and down the stairs on the keys, and then Eva did this all by herself. She came up with a way to do it without her fingers. One finger and also two fingers. You silly!
I'm going to show you, Mommy.
What are you going to show me?
I'm going to show you something.
Show me something.
Okay.
Are you playing with your nose?
So much fingers.
So many fingers. You're using many fingers now. Are those keys at the bottom playing too? When you press the keys down there, are they playing now? Like go all the way down. I just want to know that we can hear.